Hello, crossover team. Investing in the stock market is an activity that I enjoy a lot and find very exciting. So I decided to talk to you about the Firstrade online brokerage platform and app. I'm going to tell you about the advantages of this app and then how to use it. In Firstrade, you can invest in different financial instruments. For example, in stocks. You can buy stocks from your favorite restaurant, let's say McDonald's, maybe from airlines, from Delta Airlines, American Airlines, or you can also buy technology stocks like Amazon, Apple, or Tesla. If you want something that gives you maybe less interest but is safer, you can also invest in government bonds. In this online brokerage Firstrade, you get a clear pricing with $0 commissions, no minimums, and no inactivity fees. You can feel protected because you are insured by the SIPC for $500,000. You can also learn some trade ideas because you can read analysis reports from finance experts and look at real-time news that happen anywhere in the world. You can trade in extended hours. Besides the regular hours that are from 9:30 to 4 p.m., you can trade from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., which is very convenient when you see some news that you think might affect your stocks. For example, any movement in the price of petroleum caused by any world conflict. You can also use different devices like desktops or your mobile phone, so you can do trading when you're at home or when you go visit friends or family. Now we're going to talk about how to use Firstrade. First, you would have to create an account and fill in your contact information, your name, some maybe social security number, and then choose a secure password. Then you would have to deposit money through your bank account. You can start with $1, $100 or more, whatever you're comfortable with. Then you're ready to invest. You can choose your favorite financial instrument. You can also do some analysis. You can do some fundamental analysis, which is an analysis of the results of the company you're investing in, the revenues, what financial situation they have right now, their sales. Or you can also do some technical analysis, which is mostly an analysis of the movement of the price and projections you can do with different tools. Then I would recommend to supervise your investments regularly. So you can see if they're going up or down, if you want to buy more stocks, sell what you've got, or stay out of the market maybe for a few weeks. You should always be aware of the risk of investing in the stock market because 80% of investors lose money. So when you're learning to invest, maybe you should look at it as a hobby and invest a very small amount of money, something you would invest maybe in trips or in hobbies, and maybe dedicate a small amount while you're learning, and when you have better strategies, maybe you can invest a little more. Thank you.